This is a song called Tiger Man. I'm the king of the jungle. They call me the Tiger Man. King of the jungle. Yeah, they call me the Tiger Man. When you cross my path, you got your whole life in your hands. Well, I get up in the morning time, I call my black cat back. Get up in the mountains, yeah, baby, I call my black cat back. When my black cat comes a running, and the hound dogs stay way back. If I tell me that old hound dog, yeah, they say he's snooping around your door. Tell me that old hound dog, yeah, they say he's snooping around your door. Now if I ever catch him, my baby, he won't snoop there no more. 'Cause I'm the king of the jungle, they call me Tiger Man. King of the jungle, yeah, they call me Tiger Man. And when you cross my path, you got your whole life in your hands. Take a horn there, John. Jonathan on the harmonica, folks. Well played, Jonathan.